શું તમને આ સેન્ટેન્સ કન્ફ્યુઝિંગ લાગે છે? I had been study, she had been walk, and especially our sentence. He had been waiting for 2 hours before the bus arrived. Hello everyone. I am Pragna Patel and welcome back to your favorite channel Easy Speak English. આજે આપણે ઇંગ્લિશ ગ્રામરનો એક મોસ્ટ એડવાન્સ્ડ ટેન્સ શીખવાના છીએ, પાસ્ટ પરફેક્ટ કોન્ટિન્યુઅસ ટેન્સ. નેટિવ સ્પીકર્સ આ ટેન્સથી પાસ્ટની કોન્ટિન્યુઅસ એક્ટિવિટીઝ એક્સપ્લેન કરે છે. આફ્ટર ધીસ વિડીયો તમે એડવાન્સ્ડ ઇંગ્લિશ કોન્ફિડન્ટલી બોલી શકશો. સો રેડી? લેટ્સ સ્ટાર્ટ. Past Perfect Continuous Master Class. We start this video. Definition of Past Perfect Continuous Tense. Past Perfect Continuous Tense describes an action that started in the past, continued for a period of time, and was still ongoing up to another event or point in the past. જે કામ પાસ્ટમાં સ્ટાર્ટ થયું હોય અને બીજી એક્શન સુધી કન્ટિન્યુ હોય તે પાસ્ટ પરફેક્ટ કોન્ટિન્યુઅસ ટેન્સ. લેટ્સ બેટર અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ વિથ એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ. I had been studying for 3 hours before the exam. She had been working there since 2020 before she changed her job. પાસ્ટમાં એક એક્ટિવિટી કોન્ટિન્યુ હતી. ગુજરાતી ક્લૂઝ રહ્યો હતો, રહ્યા હતા, રહી હતી થી ચાલુ હતું. એક્ઝામ્પલ: હું 2 કલાકથી વાંચી રહી હતી. I had been reading for 2 hours. Let's learn formulas in deep explanation. Formulas are very important. Formula: subject plus had been plus V1 ing. Let's see examples. You had been waiting. She had been cooking. They had been playing. Super easy trick. Had been plus ing form. Now we will learn ing rules. Let's revise fast. First one, normal rule. Examples: stand, standing. Listen, listening. Now remove e plus ing. જ્યારે કોઈ વર્બની પાછળ ઈ હોય તો ઈ ડ્રોપ કરી આઈએનજી લગાડવું. ટેક, ટેકિંગ. મેક, મેકિંગ. નાઉ ડબલ લેટર રૂલ. વર્બના લાસ્ટ લેટરની બિફોર સિંગલ વોવલ હોય તો લાસ્ટ લેટર ડબલ કરી આઈએનજી લગાડવું. એક્ઝામ્પલ: નીટ, નીટિંગ. સ્કીપ, સ્કીપિંગ. નાઉ ડબલ વોવલ રૂલ. વર્બના લાસ્ટ લેટરની બિફોર ડબલ વોવલ હોય તો જસ્ટ એડ આઈએનજી. એક્ઝામ્પલ: બ્રેક, બ્રેકિંગ. સ્પીક, સ્પીકિંગ. નાઉ વાય ડબલ્યુ રૂલ. વર્બનો લાસ્ટ લેટર વાય કે ડબલ્યુ હોય તો જસ્ટ એડ આઈએનજી. એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ: પ્લે, પ્લેઇંગ. ડ્રો, ડ્રોઈંગ. સે, સેઇંગ. Now remove IE and add YING rule. વર્બનો લાસ્ટ લેટર IE હોય તો રિમૂવ કરી YING લગાડવું. એક્ઝામ્પલ: lie, lying. Die, dying. Tie, tying. Now let's learn since versus for. This is deep concept. First one, since. Since so starting point. Example: since 2015. Since Monday. Since morning. Now for. For shows duration of time. Examples: for 2 hours. For 5 years. For a long time. Easy trick. Since show point. For shows duration, period. Now let's see examples. We had been living here since 2016. They had been playing here for 5 hours. Now we will see timeline concept. This is most important concept. Timeline example. First action. I had been sleeping for 2 hours. Second action. When my friend called me. Now correct sentence. I had been sleeping for 2 hours when my friend called me. Superlative. Long continuous past action. Use past perfect continuous tense. Short past action. Use simple past tense. Now let's learn negative sentence. Formula. Subject plus had not plus been plus verb ing. Examples. I had not been sleeping well. She had not been studying seriously. Now let's learn interrogative sentence. Formula. Had plus subject plus been plus verb ing. Examples. Had you been waiting long? Had she been crying? Now let's learn use of past perfect continuous tense in real life spoken English. First one, continuous activities before another event. Example. They had been traveling before the accident happened. Next one is showing reason. He was tired because he had been running. And last one, storytelling. Example. It had been raining before the match started. Our tense past perfect continuous tense. Storytelling માં cinematic લાગે છે. Now let's compare past perfect versus past perfect continuous tense. First, past perfect tense. I had completed the work. Result complete. Now past perfect continuous tense. I had been completing the work for 2 hours. Activity continue. Superlative. Result show करे a past perfect tense. Duration or activity show करे a past perfect continuous tense. Now let's fix common mistakes that made by beginners and students. First one, she had been cook. No, she had been cooking. Next one, since 5 years. No, for 5 years. Next one, he had been went. No, he had been going. Now last one, had you been studying? No, had you been studying? આજે આપણે past perfect continuous tense advanced level પર master કર્યું. Now let's revise what we learned today. Definition of past perfect continuous tense. Use of had plus been. Since versus for. Rules of ing. Timeline concept. Advanced comparison. Storytelling English. And common mistake. આ ટોપિકથી તમે માસ્ટર લેવલના સ્ટોરીટેલર બની શકશો. Now comment below. Past perfect continuous tense crystal clear. Thank you so much for your time. Follow for English motivation videos. Take care and goodbye.